Hi guys, it's George and today I am going to be graffitiing all over my Musical.ly. I've already done like a bit of it, but I have to allow it to dry before I actually do anything. So what I'm doing is also I am mentioning like some of my friends from school, Lexi, Lewis Smith and all that. Alicia and Devon and all of you guys. Well, you're all awesome. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. Yeah, guys, if you have Musical.ly, I'm just assuring you that I'm deleting Musical.ly, but anyone from school, if you are watching this, I have deleted it, but it's just my account would be still on there. I'm probably going to be getting it back in like a year or so. And yeah guys, just went to Dennett's ice cream. Delicious. So guys, how does that look? It looks terrible, I know. You spin it. Cool thing is though, I like know such a life hack, but also a cheat to do this. Guys, let me just show you. Spin it, like that, and then get a pen. I'm using blue. Get the pen. And then it does like another line instead of you having to like keep it still and draw a circle. You could just do that. It's a lot quicker. It looks like really nice now. So yeah, let's do all of that to the other side. Sorry, I've just been out and I'm really, really itchy. And then I'm going to do like a bit of purple, so for the other one I'm going to do lime, this kind of nice colour, and then orange. I don't even like the colour orange. Yeah, so done that, then I'm going to do what I did on the other one. Hopefully this doesn't print on my windowsill. Speaking of which, I'm going to... No, I'm scared about that now, because my phone's like right near the window. And we all know what's going to happen. Knowing me, I'm going to end up dropping my phone down the window. Keep it out a little bit. And it will like shatter into pieces. Thought, I'm going to do this. Also guys, today is a very sad day for my dad, because like, you know how like all dads, or just boys, like love watching like MotoGP and things like that. Well, one of the MotoGP stars have died today. But like, thinking about it, it's like most likely to happen to them. They're like motorbiking stars, but then also kind of a bit bad because they may be motorbiking stars, but it would still happen because like you can't forever live, like get loads of head injuries, fall off a motorbike and then like nothing happened to you and say, oh, nothing happened, nothing happened. Obviously doing that attempt didn't work out very well for him. So yeah, I'm surprised how long this video has gone on for. Yeah guys, I'm just trying to keep this a little bit good for now because like this fidget spinner was not cheap, or I guess it was. I'm just not allowed another one for no reason. Yeah guys, in a minute I'm going to be reacting to some videos on YouTube, obviously on like a different YouTube video, but for now guys, let's just do this, then get on to what we're doing later. Anyway, I think I mentioned this before, but on Wednesday I will not be doing any videos, I don't think. I probably will, just I won't be, because, well I mean I probably will, it's just that it's unlikely to happen because I have a school disco on Wednesday at our school, and I'm going to like get like all really nice. I'm going to curl my hair. We think, we might not, but we're hoping to curl my hair, and I'm going to wear some nice summer clothes, and then I'm being picked up at 3:30 from school. My mum finishes work at 3, but then I'm being picked up at 3:30. And then as soon as we get in, have to get changed and everything. And yeah. Oh, someone's mowing the lawn. Do you mind? I'm trying to record a YouTube video here, people. I'm like so scared because on YouTube I've been seeing like people have videos where like dolls are like moving in the background and there's ghosts caught in the background. Even though none of that's real, it just like really gets to freak me out. In a minute I was going to go and see who was mowing the lawn. I want to do the Sharpie. Hi. Hi. Anyway, sorry about that, guys. But it looks so cool now. We've actually done that. It looks like really nice. I feel like I've completely ruined my fidget spinner though. But the thing is though, our head teacher, like, he likes protecting us, which is good, but then he gets like really annoyed how we have like all the social media, which is really, really true, because we shouldn't really have it. That's what it looks like now. On the other side, we obviously have to do something, so like I'm going to like do this really nice galaxy. Yeah, guys. That looks better. Let's try. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and also I love you guys. Just like I mentioned at the start of this video, I will not be keeping Musical.ly, so yeah, I've deleted it, but my account's still on there, so bye guys, peace out.